Good morning, dear Swissies. We are at the train station of Lauterbrunnen, and today, Rasta and I, we will show you the most beautiful hikes around the area of Wengen and Lauterbrunnen. Enjoy! Ja, ga zoeken. This is probably the best part of the train ride up to Wengen. Yeah, be prepared. It is still a little bit cloudy today, but the goal is to find some nice dandelions in this area. And as you can see, it is always fascinating, even on cloudy weather. Or even more. We arrived now in Wengen on 1274 meters above sea level. We took the early train, that's why we are totally alone here. Yeah, to avoid from the crowds. And now we hike a little bit through Wengen, huh? To show you the best places. Huh, Rasta? Agree? Do. I ask you something. Agree? Okay, this is a yes. Huh? In the village, Rasta is of course on the leash. Ah, look. Do you see the cable car over there? Yeah, this is the cable car going up to Mannlichen. From there, you could hike to Kleinscheidig, if you like, but not today. When it is clear weather, you would see the Jungfrau behind, but it's still cloudy. We have to wait. If you want to have a very nice view from Wengen into the Lauterbrunnen Valley, so you have to go to this church. Yeah. You don't have to go into the church, but from this church there is a viewpoint. Yeah, where you can see the whole valley. No mountains because there are still many clouds in the sky, but I ordered some view for later. Yeah, for now it is just the beauty of the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Yeah, not that bad. And if you are already disappointed, check behind now. There is a little hole where you can see, yeah, the first mountain. And I do a promise now. I will show you the whole mountain world, okay? In a few minutes. And if you like to have a good pizza, this is a good place. Yeah. But they have a lot of, how you say, garlic in the pizza. So you need to drink a lot after this. On this side, we can already see the mountains. Yeah, it comes good. Yeah, focus on the good. In this part there are many deers. Deers with babies. So Rasta is on the leash. Yeah, safety first. He can run later on the meadows. Huh? Whoa. We have the first surprise for you now. Huh? Ordered some nice clouds. Yeah, climbing up the mountains over there. Yeah, I love these kind of clouds. Oh, they are so impressive. Huh? Look at these lovely houses. Oh, well, we call them Godde. Yeah, I don't know what's in there, but maybe some stuff for the animals. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's like a family. Huh? Family of Godde. who needs mountains when you see clouds like this? Huh? Boah. That's crazy schön, du. Hei. This is now a less known area of Wengen. You need to hike up a little bit. And then, boom, the view on the houses. Wow. Did you remember my promise about the mountains and the view? Nah. How is it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I know. This is now the famous Rasta path. It went viral a few years ago. Millions of times it has been viewed from all over the world. Yes, and now we are back again. And we wait for the opening of the dandelions. They are here. Look. Yeah, but now we need to wait about 2 hours. Yeah. And then they open their head as soon as the sun is here. And now I'm sitting on this bench and I eat breakfast. In Switzerland you say, "Ein guter." And we eat this breakfast with this view. So this was our place for breakfast, and now we are waiting for the dandelions. Yeah, for the awakening. Ooh. We have dandelions now. Yeah, look at the fields. Yeah, they became yellow. Yeah, and Rasta is so happy. He looks so good in the yellow meadows, huh? Yeah, Ali. As I promised you, we have dandelions everywhere. We have nice clouds on the mountains. We have yellow meadows here. And we have a happy Rasta here. Huh? So what do you want more? Rasta. Wee! Dandelion time! Hop! Ali! Normal, We were here now for 3.5 hours to get these yellow meadows. And the wait was so worthy, isn't it? Be prepared. Whee! View again. Ah, yeah, incredible. On this hike, there is also a viewpoint to the other side, means to Interlaken, Yeah, and this is what you see. So this is Isenfluh, Sulwald, and when you look on the right, you see Interlaken far behind. It's not over yet with the views. Yeah, I promise you, this is one of the most beautiful hikes around Wengen and Lauterbrunnen. I hear the bells of some cows. I'm quite sure they are here, just around the corner. Ja, powiedz. Cow with horns. Schön. And we have some funny goats. Hi goats. Hi. You're more interested in Rasta, right? Yeah, I know. But you are safe. We are now on the way back to the train station. We have some wind. It is called Pisa. Yeah, it's not funny. The light is gone. I think it's time to go home now. Huh? Yeah. We have such nice memories. I found some easels, some donkeys. There are so many. Oh, they're so good looking. Oh, I love donkeys. Uh-huh. He stands up for me. Boy, that's a big one. Lekker poppy too. Crazy, I'm impressed. We arrive now at Sulwald. Ah, that was so nice. Huh? Net? I love this hike so much. There is so much to see, so many animals everywhere. Ja, das ist einfach schön. So I hope I did not promise too much. Huh? That was a really nice hike. And yeah, it's about, if you do the same way, it's about 2 normal human hours and 4 photographer hours to hike. So I had 5. Ciao!